In this video, I'll show you 3 ways on how to delete your eFootball account. The first one is to delete via your Konami ID. So go to my.konami.net and log in with your Konami ID. Then open account information or profile settings and scroll down to find Konami ID, sometimes shown as terminate account. From there, just follow the steps and confirm via email. Option 2 is to delete from the eFootball app with data transfer settings. Open eFootball on your device, go to Extras, Support, Data Transfer Settings, unlink your Konami ID, and then delete the app from your phone or PC. Just deleting the app without unlinking doesn't delete the account. Data stays on Konami's servers. And the third option is to contact Konami support. If you cannot access your Konami ID or the delete option, go to Konami customer support and submit a request. Ask them to delete or unlink your eFootball account. Be prepared to verify ownership, so your registered email, player ID and device details. Now, some important notes: deleting your Konami ID is permanent loss of your progress, purchases and coins. If you just want a fresh start, it's easier to log out of your Konami ID in the game, create a new Konami ID and link it. So now you know how to delete your eFootball account. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.